Hi there. So in today's video, we should be able to make this elegant lazing at your kente or your dress back of corset. Okay. So first of all, this is how you start with that. Okay. You get your project that you've done. We are learning how to create the eyelet punch at the back of our corset dresses. So these are the materials you need. You need your eyelets, you need your eyelet gauge, as you can see here. You need this one. This is a must-have. It makes things super easy. This is must-have. I would recommend this anytime, any day for you to grab it. And not forgetting your hammer for punching the shit out of it. Sorry about that. And then your eyelets, okay? I chose a gold one. There are silver ones, there are plastic ones, but I use the metallic gold ones, okay? So this is how it looks. Averagely, I would have used my tape measure to mark it out like 1 inch, 1 inch. But with a gauge, all I need to do is open it and make sure that the distance between them are consistent. Okay, so this is what you see me doing here, making sure the spacings are consistent here. So after that happens, I just mark out where each shape is pointing at. So that is what you see me marking the pointed areas there. Okay, this makes it super extremely easy and it makes it so accurate. So I think I would recommend this any day, anytime. If you put chance on it, is this a must have? Okay. And if you want some, do not forget to send me a message on WhatsApp so that yours can be delivered to you wherever you are in Ghana or the world. And yes, I do take in-person students and online students as well. So if you would love to join our firm, I would really appreciate to be there through the journey. So here I was marking it out on how it had to look. So I just repeated it. Because I had already marked it on the down one, I just picked the other side, assembled it together, and then mark it out as well. So I was checking out with engaging. As you can see, this is how it looks. It makes it extremely easy, super easy. So yeah, I just noticed that, okay, this is how we set. So here I use my eyelet punch and the hammer to punch it out. Okay, so you can see me removing these things out, the ones that we're done punching it out. You just remove it so that when you're installing the eyelet, it would be a little bit easier. Okay, let's forget about the drums at the background. Okay, I just don't know why they just want to make noise, and then I don't understand why the best just want to keep singing. I guess it's part of it. And I really want to make sure that I upload this video in time so that you get to learn something great. So kindly forgive me about the background noise. And hola, so here you get your eyelet machine so that you install the eyelet. This is also a must-have. If you have the capacity to get one for yourself, I would advise that you do make that investment because it makes your work look very neat and professional. So I would advise that you always, if you are able to afford it to get, I think it's a must-have. Kindly do grab it. Okay. And if you're enjoying this video, this section, I would advise that you kindly do hit on your like button. And if you've not subscribed, do not forget to turn on your notification bell and subscribe to this channel for amazing videos like these and a lot of sewing videos. I have included sewing tutorials on the channel, so stay tuned for that playlist as well. I already have some, and then kindly do check the sewing playlist and you will learn a lot of amazing secrets when it comes to sewing. This is great news. I know. So because of that, do not forget to subscribe so that when we upload new videos, you will be alerted. Okay, you don't miss anything. I had a message on TikTok. I think someone commented on my video recently that they've not been seeing my videos again. I don't know. I was on hold for quite some time, but I've returned fully. If you're not seeing my videos, kindly check out your notification bell. If you've actually really, you know, turn it on. okay, because I've been uploading. I went off for quite some time, but I'm back. I'm fully back. So kindly do check your uploads. I mean, check if you've turned on your notification bell, because the plan is to upload twice a week. Okay, Thursday or Sunday. But if for one or two reasons I can't upload twice a week, it would either be on Thursday or on the Sunday. So kindly do help me out as well. Okay, I know I've not been consistent on the channel, but managing my business is not easy, and then my social media handles has been one man team all this while, and like I know I'm giving excuses, but please forgive me. It's not really easy. It's not really easy. So sometimes I mess up my upload schedule. So kindly do forgive me, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell. Okay. Do also not forget to follow me on other social media outlets as well. I'll be leaving my link in the description. Do not just send me a message on WhatsApp, any other social media accounts as well with the same name. Okay, so that anytime I get to upload something, you will be alerted that I've uploaded something on the channel. Okay. So yes, so after I would advise that you get the eyelet machine and then your eyelet gauge. It just is a must have. It makes the work pretty easy. Okay, so this is how it looks after it was been. Do you see how it's really like lines with it? It's just in line with it. This is how it looks. Okay, after, when it was in these, this was how it was looking professionally installed and stuff. I think this is a must have. I really do think this is a must have for any individual. This is an investment worth making. If you can, kindly do that. Send me a message if you want to get one. Okay. And this is how it looked after it was laced. Okay, so this is how it looked after it was laced. This was actually on a mannequin. Okay, full video of this sewing would also be on the channel. The link will be in the description. The beading tutorials as well will be on the description. Kindly do check it out, how we beaded the down section, pattern we used for the down, and how the top was also beaded. Everything will be in the description. Do not forget to check it out for the amazing behind the scenes of how this was created, and then the beading tutorials as well. Okay, so this is how it was. Here the mannequin was quite bigger than the person's, smaller than the person's measurement, so I pinned it up. But this is how it was looking after the whole dress was completed. I think this. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Yeah.